How to delete call history on Messenger. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete call history on Messenger. To delete call history on Messenger, you want to make sure to open up the Messenger application on your device. After you're logged in, and this is where the interface will take you. So now what I'm going to do is basically on this page in order to end the call history. Now as you could see, these are the ones. So I need to long press on it and tap on the delete button, right? So when I tap on the delete button, you could go ahead and see that it's only going to be deleted for me. But there is no way you could delete it for the both person. So you just need to make sure to mark on it just like this and then tap on the delete button. And if you're sure about it or going with that, you could do it so. Otherwise, you could tap on the I button on this page at the top of the page. And next, you want to scroll down and then you want to go ahead and click on delete chat. And as soon as you do it so, you've successfully deleted chat history along with other text chat as well. So this is how you could delete call history on Messenger. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.